Hey everyone, I'm Beth and this is Friday Flicks. A few months ago, we introduced you to the venue fixture from Peerless, the large-scale suspended luminaires designed for open ceilings. We took you on a little tour of our lobby where we had 2 of them installed, with plans for 3 more. So as promised, we're back today to show you the completed installation. This completely changed the look and feel of our space. The illumination is smooth and visually comfortable, and they immediately provided a more intimate feeling for the large and open area. We welcome you to come and check these out in person or have a look at our recently launched virtual office tour. The link is available on the homepage of our website. As you explore our office, you can click on each luminaire to get more information. That's it for today. Make sure to follow us on social media to stay up to date with all the latest product launches.